Well, welcome everybody. Today I am going to be helping you to understand how to use ChatGPT or AI to help to align your standards with your curriculum. So, to start, I'm going to go to the internet and I am going to find the product that I want to use. So for you, maybe you need to align your math standards to the Virginia SOL fifth grade standards, right? So for me, I didn't have the book accessible, so I just looked it up online and I found the Abeka fifth grade math workbook. What I did was I decided to take a look inside, go to the table of contents, and then all you have to do for AI is AI needs a picture of what you need, right? So for me, all I did was take some screenshots of the table of contents. I took screenshots of both of these, and then I'm going to go to ChatGPT. Now, you can use ChatGPT, you can use Microsoft Copilot, you can use a plethora of AI platforms, but I personally like to use ChatGPT. So, what I did, I already pre-wrote it in there just because I know I was going to make this video, and all I'm telling ChatGPT is what I want it to do. So, I asked ChatGPT, can you align the table of contents from Abeka with the Virginia SOL standards for fifth grade? And I also asked it to put it into an editable document. Now, AI is very intelligent. So if you realize you forgot to tell it something, you can always go back and tell it later. But I just put this here so that you can understand kind of a example of what you can put inside of this. So, the beautiful thing about AI is all I need to do now is attach my table of contents. So since I've already taken screenshots of it, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select both of these. I'm going to open them. And now you can see that they downloaded into the box, okay? So once you have it in there, all you need to do now is hover over this and hit send, all right? You don't need to add in the Virginia SOL standards because what AI is going to do, it's going to pull from all of its resources and it's going to align it for you. Now, if you want to put something else in here, you would go through the same process. Or if you wanted to take a picture, because I worked with one of the teachers, she took a picture of her table of contents, she emailed it to herself and uploaded it like that, you can also do that. So there are many ways that you could have found the table of contents, but that's all that it needs in order to do this. So I'm going to hit send so that you can see what that looks like. You can see it's searching. It's even searching the Department of Education because what it's going to do right now, it's going to search from all of the different resources and then it's going to map out all of the documentation that you need so that it plans it out for you for the entire year. So let's see what it gives us. Okay, so see, this is what it's telling us that it's made. It says that it created an editable Word document, right? Which is so amazing because now all that I need to do is click on that document. So let's see what it did. Wow. Let's go ahead. I'm going to download this so that we can open it. And the beautiful thing about AI is once we open it and we look at it, let's say there's something that we notice that we want to change or we want it to go back and fix. I can come back to this document and I can tell it, hey, can you actually do this instead, right? And the wording that you use isn't as big of a deal. The most important thing is that you're telling it what you want it to do. So I just downloaded that. Let's go ahead and look at what it created for us. I'm also using a MacBook, so it's going to look a little bit different. Once you download those things, it's going to go into a different folder, but that is a separate conversation for another day. All right, so this is what it created. All I did was add 2 sentences into AI. I added 2 pictures and it aligned every single topic in Abeka to a Virginia standard. Okay, so you can see starting here, it first gives you all of the references for the Virginia standards right here. These are all the 5th grade standards. Then what it does is it walks you through a crosswalk. So it tells you what the topic is, the SOL that goes with it, and if it fully aligns or if it partially aligns. You can see that right here. And it breaks it down by every single section. Okay? So it's using those pictures you took, and it made this in a few minutes, right? It gives you the sources that it came from. It gives you a tracker here, right? So AI can be used for so many things. And I would just encourage you to go ahead and play with AI. Go ahead, put as many things in here. AI can also help you to pace out your year. AI can even, I could tell it, hey, use this editable document and give me morning work for the first week. Okay, so you can do so many things with AI. This is also just using the free version of AI, but if you decided to use a paid version, you would get even more things that you could do with it. So this is just one way that you can use AI. I also have this that I created with AI, and it is just some resources on how teachers can use AI. So this is something I would definitely look at and save. But you can see that number 1, you can create a pacing guide. Number 2, you can write lesson plans. 3, generate morning work. Use your AI to make morning work for you. It can even create the answer keys. It can even create differentiation lessons and things. So use AI so that it can save you time, because as teachers, we don't have a lot of time. Number 4, it says create exit tickets. Number 5, differentiate instruction. Number 6, create reading passages. It can even help you to make a passage and comprehension questions so that you can send those home for homework or for extra practice. Number 7, it can help you to rewrite those parent communication tools. So when you need to send emails, newsletters, reminders, it can help you to reword them to make sure that you're saying it in the best way possible. Number 8, it can create rubrics for you. Number 9, brainstorm engaging activities. And number 10, it can help you to just simplify or rewrite things. And then at the bottom, it just gives you some different options for different ways that you can use AI. So I would just tell you guys, please use the time that you have, learn AI. It's very easy to use, and I'm telling you, it will save you so much time as a teacher. But I hope this helped. And if it does, I will try to post more videos about how to use AI in the classroom. But that is one of the simplest ways that you can get extra time added to your day by using AI.